Welcome back to How-To Digital Content Guides for Small Businesses, proudly presented by Elite. My name is Isa Martinez, and in this third episode of our series, we're diving into the world of pay-per-click advertising, offering you a roadmap to navigate the complexities of PPC campaigns. Our focus is on helping small businesses like yours achieve high returns on investment, even with limited budgets. Before we start the tutorial, we'll explain what is PPC. PPC is a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's essentially a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. The most popular PPC advertising system is Google Ads, but there are others, such as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and even TikTok ads. The most important part of creating a successful pay-per-click campaign starts with understanding your business goals. Are you looking to increase sales, generate leads, or boost website traffic? Once your goals are clear, now it's time to set up the campaign. We'll help you choose the right keywords and create compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your target audience. Now, for the fun part. Let's start by going to ads.google.com to create our first campaign. Click on the button that says Start Now. It's important to know that creating a PPC campaign with Google Ads takes 3 steps. First, we need to add your business information. Second, create the ads. Third, include your budget. Now, we're ready to create our first campaign. The first step in the process is adding your business information. While adding a business name and website are optional, it's important to add them if you have this information, because it helps optimize your business ad on Google. The next step is to link any business profiles, YouTube profiles, and phone numbers to your ad account. This way, you ensure your possible clients have the most accurate information to contact you through the ads. The next step is selecting your business goals for this campaign. For the sake of this guide, we will select the first option, which is contacts, which means that possible clients will get in contact with us through phone, email, or text. Next comes adding your search themes. You will write 25 words that are relevant to your business. For example, if you are a coffee shop, you will write phrases like coffee shop near me, fresh Arabica coffee, and lattes with almond milk near me. Now that we have selected the themes, we're going to the actual ad creation part. Google Ads in 2024 is awesome because it helps out a lot in the ad creation with its artificial intelligence system. Before 2024, you had to write the ad copy yourself. Now, by typing your business website under final URL, Google will pick relevant information and images based on your business. Finally, the ad will come up looking something like this. Our last step is to set a daily budget for your ads. Google will recommend a budget based on their criteria, but you don't have to follow it. You have the option to click on Set Custom Budget and add whatever daily amount that fits your advertisement budget. Once set, submit your payment details, and your first PPC campaign in Google Ads is set. Thanks for joining us for another episode of How-To Digital Content Guides for Small Businesses. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Here's to maximizing your online presence, one click at a time.